G'day and welcome to the workshop. This one is in the beautiful old medieval village of Harbour in France. It's on the edge of Lake Geneva, which acts as the border or part of the border between France and Switzerland. You can see the painting is quite different from the scene, so here's how I got there. Started off with little thumbnail sketches to get some design ideas, moved on to a black and white study, a grayscale study, and a small colour study, and from there I went back to the drawing board and did a few more sketches, and then refined that sketch into a cartoon, and then developed the finished painting. Follow me step by step as I show you the techniques I use to paint this ideal harbour scene quickly and easily in acrylics. You could just as easily use oils. You'll learn how to design with big shapes, invent warm light, create atmospheric depth, and paint reflections. All that and much more is demonstrated for you in the video. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.